Hello, can you eat eggs every day? Are eggs good or bad for your health? Do they raise your blood cholesterol? What's the healthiest way to cook them? How many eggs should you eat per day? In this video, I'll share 8 benefits of eating eggs daily and explain how to make the most of this affordable, quick, and easy superfood. Stick around until the end, because some of this information might surprise you. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to receive updates. It's also important to share this knowledge with your friends and family. When it comes to health, sharing is caring. 8 benefits of eating eggs every day. Let's dive in. Why are eggs a superfood and an important part of a healthy diet? Why are eggs a superfood? Eggs are a cheap source of many nutrients and high-quality protein. They are low in calories, with only 78 calories per egg. Eggs are packed with protein, 6 grams per egg, and they contain all 9 essential amino acids, which your body can't produce on its own. These proteins help with muscle growth, healing, weight loss, and bone health. Eggs also have 13 essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin B2, B5, B6, B9, folate, B12, vitamin D, EK, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, selenium. The egg white provides most of the protein without cholesterol, while the yolk is rich in fat, cholesterol, and important nutrients. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, and adding eggs to your diet can help you absorb other vitamins, such as vitamin E from salads. What are the 8 health benefits of eating eggs every day? Benefit number 8. Eyesight protection. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help prevent age-related vision issues such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Since these are found in the yolk, eating only the whites won't give you these benefits. Eggs are also rich in vitamin A, which helps prevent blindness. Benefit number 7. Brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, an essential nutrient for brain function. One egg provides over 100 milligrams of choline, making it one of the best sources available. Choline is important for memory, mood, and muscle control. Eggs also contain B12, which helps maintain healthy nerves. Benefit number 6. Immune system boost. Eggs contain immune-supporting nutrients like selenium and vitamins B12 and D. 2 eggs provide more than 80% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin D, which supports bone health and immune function. Benefit number 5. Weight management. Eggs are satisfying and can help you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack. Eating eggs for breakfast can help you stay satisfied until lunch, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Eggs also help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Benefit number 4. Lowering triglycerides. Eggs, especially those enriched with omega-3, can lower triglyceride levels. High triglycerides increase the risk of developing plaque in your arteries, so reducing them is good for heart health. Benefit number 3. Reduce stroke risk. Studies show that eating 1 egg a day may lower the risk of a hemorrhagic stroke. Research from China found that people who ate at least 1 egg daily were nearly 30% less likely to die from stroke than those who avoided eggs. Benefit number 2. Stronger bones. Eggs are beneficial for bone health, especially for those with osteopenia or osteoporosis. The whites contain proline, which helps with collagen production, while the yolks are rich in vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus, which all support stronger bones. Benefit number 1. Increased HDL, good cholesterol. Eating 2 or more eggs per day can raise HDL, the good cholesterol, by about 10%, while eggs may slightly raise LDL, bad cholesterol. In some people, they shift the LDL particles from small and dense to larger ones, which are less harmful. This is why studies have found no association between egg consumption and heart disease. And some even show that eggs can reduce the risk of heart disease. Are all eggs the same? No. The color of the shell, white or brown, doesn't matter much, but the color of the yolk does. Darker yolks, which are closer to orange, are richer in carotenoids and better for your health. This is influenced by the hen's diet. How you cook your eggs matters. Frying eggs in butter, bacon grease, or lard can add unhealthy fats that raise cholesterol. Instead, fry them in olive oil at no more than 410 degrees Fahrenheit 210 degrees Celsius. Olive oil is a healthier option, and research shows that frying certain foods in olive oil can be healthier than boiling them due to its antioxidants. Cooking eggs also makes the nutrients more digestible. Eating raw eggs, which I don't recommend due to the risk of salmonella, only allows you to absorb about 50% of the protein, whereas cooking eggs allows you to absorb over 90%. However, cooking at high temperatures can reduce the vitamin A and antioxidant content in eggs, so try to cook them for shorter times at lower temperatures to preserve their nutrients. Enjoyed the video? Remember to share it so that more people can benefit from this knowledge.